we have given quadrilateral, and now we have here reflection. We know that reflection uses a line of reflection to create a mirror image of original figure. And in this example, we have reflection in the x-axis. It means that we have to multiply the y-coordinate by -1. So if you have point x, y, after the reflection in the x-axis, we have to change coordinates. First coordinate stayed the same x and the y is negative. We multiply the y-coordinate by -1 when we have reflection in the x-axis. So now let me put first point K has coordinates -2, -1. So this is our x, this is our y. So now we see that x stayed the same. So we have -2, and y we have to multiply by -1. So we have negative sign, and in parentheses I will put -1 because y is -1. So now our point K has coordinates -2, and negative give me +1. Next we have point L has coordinates 3, 0. So we have to look to our notation. X stay the same. This is our x, this is our y. So we have 3 and we have negative sign. We have to copy and y is 0. So we know that this is 3, 0. So now we have point M 4, 2. So x is 4, y is 2. When we have reflection in the x-axis, x stay the same. So we have 4. And we have to put negative sign before y. So we will have -2. And the last point is N has coordinates -1, 4. One more time, when we have reflection in the x-axis, we copy x. So we have -1, this is our x, this is our y. And before y, we have to put negative sign. So we have -4. Now we have to find these points. So we will have first point K is now will be -2, 1, -2, and we go up 1. This is our K prime now. L is now the same, 3, 0. This is our L prime. And next we have 4, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and -2, 1, 2 approximately here. This is our M prime, and N will be -1 and -4, 1, 2, 3, 4 approximately here. This is our N prime. So now we can connect these points and we will get quadrilateral This is our quadrilateral in reflection in the x-axis. So this is my solution.